Howdy YouTube people. I had somebody say that they have no intentions of buying this tool, the goat tool, because of the flimsy X-acto blade. Well, I don't really understand what that means by flimsy. I don't know the blade itself. I mean, it's an X-acto blade, just normal X-acto blade. It does move that much. But I mean, if you are cutting something, it'll do that tiny little move and stay there. And then X-acto blades, as far as I know, they're always just pressure held in with pressure fit, screwing down the little screw thing there. And goat tool, I see people moving this lock. I've seen a couple people moving the lock like that. That's asking to slide off and cut yourself. So, I mean, you should be doing this, not this. So you pull the lock down out of the way, and the goat actually has a little tab. It has a little tab in there that goes through the hole in the X-acto blade. So there's a little flap there. Push it down and it catches on the thing, and then you do this and it's locked in. So I'm not sure what is meant by the flimsy X-acto blade. It's more secure. The craft blade is more secure than an X-acto blade. And if you really don't like it, you go like this. Then you go like that, and you go like that. Whoa. And that's it. Put something else in there. So I'm liking it. I do crafty things sometimes. A lot of times. Works good for me. It can come out so you don't have to use the tool doing it. And it's not like a great thing to hang on to, but thin piece of metal. And since I have this, I have stopped carrying this, which is fun. I do like this. But I've stopped carrying that, one less thing in my pockets. And I do like the X-acto blade. I've already said in another video, I do think that it might get someone or multiple someone someday that pops out of there or whatever. So you do have to be careful and aware that it's in there. But I like it, works good for me. Slice open anything, do crafty stuff, take it out, use it, put it back in. So that's all I gotta say about that, I guess. Thanks for watching.